so apparently a lot of people want to know how to make clear ice, and I don't feel like typing out all the steps to everybody individually, so I will make a video. So what we're talking about is getting a sphere like this clear. Why do you want clear ice? I don't know, but it's kind of cool. So it also lasts longer in said liquid, whatever liquid you use clear ice in. So the secret is an igloo cooler such as this, and we are going to be using, for spheres, a little mold that you probably already have at home, but you're trying to figure out how to not have cloudy ice. Well, if you just use this, you will get bubbles in your spheres. So we're going to go over the steps. They're really easy, and we're going to use directional freezing, and we'll get more into that when we get into the steps. So we filled this 2/3 of the way up. You don't want to go all the way up to the top because ice expands when it freezes. Anyways, now we're going to take your little mold here, make sure it's tight, and we want the top to be pointed down. We also want to fill these spheres up, so put it in. That's a normal sound, don't worry, that's how you know you're doing it right. And then you gotta flip it over. Cool. So I got a couple air bubbles in there, but that's okay. All right, now you take this special scientific tool here. It's called a plastic fork that I broke off the fork part, and wedge it so that the mold, I'll edit that out, the mold stays at the top because it will sink. Perfect. There you go. Now it's in there. Shut the door, important, and then wait like, I don't know, 18, 24 hours, depending on your freezer, how fast it freezes. You don't want to freeze all the way through. You need the layer of water underneath for the oxygen to escape to, which is usually why people have clouded ice, is because it freezes all the way down. The oxygen has nowhere to go, so it makes the cloud. Now you don't need the sphere molds at all. You can actually just freeze the top layer of water and then just harvest that, and then customize. You can cut ice cubes in whatever shape you want. So if you have tall skinny glasses, you can do skinny ice cubes. You can do weird, I don't know what this is, but yeah, I just chose to do a sphere mold, and it's pretty cool. This is apple juice. Cheers.